Simple Green Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish is specially formulated for the care of stainless steel, chrome, and other metal surfaces. This ready-to-use high-tech polish keeps surfaces stain and streak-free while helping to prevent future smudges and fingerprints from showing. This one-step cleaning and polishing process is quick and convenient for whatever you're cleaning, whether it be sinks, faucets, appliances, grills, or other stainless surfaces, inside or out. The non-flammable formula sprays on easily and instantly wipes clean to a deep luster. The polish won't build up on surfaces, making it perfect for everyday use, and is orally non-toxic, making it the ideal choice for kitchens and other surfaces where food is prepped or served. Families love Simple Green products because they work. They're also safer for both you and the environment than traditional harsh chemicals. We think you'll love them so much that we back them with our own 100% money-back guarantee. Keep your home and our world clean with Simple Green.